Bozeman traffic, Air 101 is on the GPS, runway 30.
Bozeman Air traffic, mobile 40 is the GA ramp, proceeding on Alpha 1, crossing runway 21, Bozeman.
Royal Air 101 Tower, I know we're not open yet, but there's a vehicle on the runway.
101, we're on short final.
Roger, go around.
Roger, 101. I got vehicles on the end. Are you sure they're still on the runway? (101) Tower, do you know if they're on the runway? I don't see any.
And they're on the runway right now for Royal Air 101.
I don't see any.
Bozeman Tower, Snowplows is holding short on 30 end.
Snowplows, I saw a vehicle doing turnarounds on runway 12 over there, or on 30.
Stay firm. He is off.
Hey, Royal Air 101, I'm sorry about that. I saw the vehicle on there doing turnarounds while you were on short final. That's why I wanted to give you the heads up. He was out there doing turnarounds. I don't know which side of the runway he's on, but it looks like everything was avoided, so...
Yeah, no, appreciate the help. Yeah, we had pretty good viz there. We could see them on the end, but they weren't on the runway. Yeah, 101. Actually, we diverted over here. We got to call company and see which FBO we're going to. So we're going to pull up here and stop.
Roger, and I don't open for another 15 minutes or so, but yeah, I just saw the vehicle out there and I saw you on short final and I was not getting the warm and fuzzy on that at all.
Yeah, no, I appreciate that heads up. That was very important.
And Snowplows, can you have somebody call the tower, please?
Snowplows, roll call tower.
Tower Air 101 is going to Millionaire.
Bozeman Tower is open, cross Delta airspace in effect, air traffic services resumed. Runway 12 is in use, wind 230 at 6, altimeter 2993. Latest information, Tango current.